This video is a demonstration of installing Tortoise Git on your Windows computers. Tortoise Git is a Windows tool that makes using Git super easy by adding Git commands right into the File Explorer. Instead of typing Git commands in a terminal, you can right-click on folders and manage your code with simple menus. In OP244, Tortoise Git helps you quickly clone, pull, commit, and push your work without needing to remember Git commands. When you clone, you make a copy of a project from a Git server onto your PC. Pull means grabbing the latest changes from the server so your files stay up to date. Commit saves changes to your project locally, like taking a snapshot of your work. Push sends these saved changes back to the server so your professor and maybe yourself pull them later on into the professor's computer or into Matrix, so you don't have to transfer files to Matrix anymore. To put simply, clone is like the first time you download the project. Commit saves versions of your work so you can go back and review the changes later if you want. Pull is like downloading updates from the server, and push is like uploading your changes to the server. Tortoise Git makes all this just a few clicks away. No typing is needed. To install Tortoise Git, open your favorite browser and search for Tortoise Git. Go to download, select the proper version for your operating system. We are having a 64-bit Windows. Wait for the download to complete. And then start the installation. So installing Tortoise Git is as simple as all the other ones. Just you click on next and you keep going and install. As easy as that. When installation is complete, it asks you to run the first start visit. When you run this, it's better to make sure that you have your uh, GitHub account already ready so you can actually use this for the settings that you're having over this. So I'm gonna run the first wizard over here. So I'm gonna click finish. I'm gonna click next and next, and I keep going like that, keep going next. And when it says enter your information over here, enter the information for name and email. Enter the name and email that you have on GitHub and the email that you created your account on GitHub. So in here, if recall, we added Fred Soleil as the account for the GitHub, and the email over there was demo@varda.com. And then I click for next. So that becomes the email address and the name that it communicates with Git with. And I click on next and keep going, and we're done. The installation is completed. And after the installation is done, it might ask you to restart your computer for it to take effect, because it's a file explorer essentially share an extension. If it's required, then restart your computer and everything's going to be good to go.